Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Jwan here. Today's tutorial, I'm just showing you guys how to do a simple eyeshadow look with just 3 brushes. So to start off, I'm using this fluffy brush. I'm using the red eyeshadow. That's what I used in my crease, and I'm going in with a black eyeshadow with the same fluffy brush. You don't need a whole bunch of brushes just to come out with a very bomb eyeshadow look for an event. So here I'm applying this gold eyeshadow with a flat brush, and I love this eyeshadow. It's really pigmented. It's so nice. It comes out so well. So that's what I'm using here, and I'm using the flat brush to apply it on my eyelid. The next step, I'm going in with this brown eyeshadow, yeah, with the same fluffy brush. I'm going back in it to soften the crease look. That's what I'm doing right now, and I love the way it turned out. So as you can see, I'm almost done with the eye look, and so far I've used only 2 brushes. And next step, I'm using this smudge brush, eyeshadow brush, to just smudge my under eye. I'm going in with a darker eyeshadow just to put the whole eye look together, because you can't have your eyelids looking bomb and then the under eye looking like something I don't know. But yeah, so that's that. And I'm going back in with the fluffy brush with this light eyeshadow just to blend the top part of my crease onto on my lid. I'm just blending all the colors out just to have it that way. And I'm going in with the Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm in love with this new eyeliner though. It's so bomb. And I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash mascara just to put my bottom lash to good use. Yeah, I went ahead and I fixed these lashes I got from Eye Hair, and that's that with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.